There was a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made error. It is incredibly frustrating, but don't panic because we're going to force it to work using a few simple commands. First, we need to get into the command prompt. If you can't get to your desktop, go to your recovery screen, select troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Once that block box opens, make sure you click run as administrator to get the permissions we need. Once that box opens, type reagent C space forward slash disable and hit enter. You should see a message saying that the operation was successful. Now, we're going to re-enable it by typing reagent C space forward slash enable and hitting enter again. In most cases, this simple toggle refreshes the recovery environment and should already fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.